Welcome back to AR Gossips. For years, Thai actors of Jampol and Gun Athapan have captured hearts with their undeniable chemistry. Fans around the world adore them as one of Thailand's most beloved BL couples. But the biggest question remains, is their love real? Today, we dive deep into the relationship of Off and Gun, exploring their journey from co stars to what seems like an unbreakable bond. The beginning, a meeting of fate. Their story began when they were cast together in the Thai drama Senior Secret Love Puppy Honey 2016. At that time, neither of them knew that this on screen pairing would change their lives forever. Off, with his charming and playful personality, and Gun, with his sweet and affectionate nature, instantly clicked. Their chemistry was so natural that fans started shipping them even before they knew each other well. Little did they know, this was just the beginning of a love story that would make headlines for years to come. More than just co stars, as they continued working together in Theory of Love and Note Me, their bond deepened. Off and Gun were not just lovers on screen, off screen, they shared stolen glances, teasing moments, and deep conversation that hinted at something more. They became inseparable, often traveling together, celebrating birthdays with intimate gestures, and posting heartfelt messages for one another. Gunn once said in an interview, "Off is someone who understands me in way no one else does." Meanwhile, Off admitted, "Gunn is my most special person." These words set fans into frenzy. Were they just close friends or was there something more? Moments that made fans believe in their love. Whether it was holding hands during fan events or casually resting their heads on each other's shoulders, Off Gun never shied away from being physically close. Off has been spotted getting jealous when Gun interacts with other actors, while Gun often gets possessive when Off is too playful with someone else. Off never misses a chance to surprise Gun, from planning birthday parties to giving him meaningful gifts. Gun, in return, showers Off with handwritten letters and heartfelt messages. In a move that fueled dating rumors, Off and Gun got matching tattoos symbolizing their everlasting bond. Are they really together? Despite their deep connection, Off and Gun have never confirmed being in a romantic relationship. They always describe their bond as soulmates, but insist they are just best friends. Some believes that they are keeping their relationship private due to industry pressure, while others argue that they are simply platonic soulmates, two people deeply connected even without romance. What's next for Off and Gun? Whether they are lovers or not, Off and Gun's relationship remains one of the most adored in the Thai entertainment industry. Their chemistry, friendship, and unwavering support for each other make them a powerful duo that fans will cherish forever. One thing is certain, Off and Gun will always have each other's heart, no matter what. Subscribe for more amazing videos.